Yo, I'm not sure the sound is gonna be the best because I'm currently on my laptop. It's very shit. As you can see. And basically I came across this code for a project, and I wanted to use it because I think there's a lot that's made that I want to reuse. So I downloaded the original script, and I noticed something weird. There is this opti-tool dependency. So I tried to look about it online, was not able to find something, and then in the code I see that there is calls to opti-tools that are made a bit everywhere, and they seem forced. Yeah, and they seem forced even if you deactivate it, and it seems that it's sending the private key, right? So before that, like I forked the repository because I wanted to use it and even collaborate to it. So of course I removed everything that was related to the Omni, but I was looking first. I tried to have more information about the use of it. Like obviously it need to be true, the module need to be true, and I was not able to find the source of it, so I used the command one second, this, let me just go. I thought that was weird that the maintainer was a weird email, and it's not very clear what is it doing. So I downloaded the tarball. I extracted extracted it in the temp directory. Using these commands, and basically what I found in the repository was hopefully someone see this. I reported the repo too, but in the index.js I found a big obfuscated code, and from what ChatGPT told me, because sadly ChatGPT seems not inclined to fully decrypt what's happening to prevent someone to have hands on a ready-made malware, but from what I understood, it's basically sending to JSON bin the private key, and I get this access key, which sadly I cannot decrypt. But yeah, so I found a malware, and this is nothing like I keep getting an invitation on Upwork too. I can show you. Hope you're gonna be able to see it. No, it was removed. So sad. Was it? Wait. It's always the same thing. An obfuscated JavaScript code. Person is asking you to run the code. No, sadly, I can't show you. But yep, that's it. Be careful, guys, when you fork something, when you download something. Always check what is it about, like what's included, what's the dependency, and always.